From the moment we are born, we begin a journey of discovery. We use our senses to understand the world around us. We learn to walk, talk, and interact with others. This journey of discovery is what we call education. Education is about more than just memorizing facts. It is about opening our minds to new possibilities. It is about developing our critical thinking skills and our ability to solve problems. Education empowers us to make a difference in the world. Throughout history, humans have sought knowledge. We have always wanted to understand the universe and our place in it. From ancient civilizations to the modern era, education has played a vital role in shaping our societies. The way we learn has evolved over time, but the fundamental importance of education remains unchanged. Education is the key to progress. It helps us to understand the past, navigate the present, and shape the future. Imagine a world without schools or books. How would you learn? In ancient times, education was very different from what we know today. Ancient Greece is famous for its philosophers. Thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle encouraged students to question everything. They engaged in debates and discussions. This method of teaching helped to develop critical thinking skills. These skills are still valuable today. In ancient Egypt, education was also highly valued. Egyptians developed a system of writing called hieroglyphics. These symbols represented words and sounds. Scribes played a crucial role in Egyptian society. They were responsible for recording history, laws, and religious texts. The ability to read and write was a sign of power and status. Education in ancient Egypt was not limited to the elite. People from all walks of life learned skills like farming, crafts, and trade. The fall of the Roman Empire marked the beginning of the Middle Ages. During this time, much of Europe experienced a decline in learning. However, amidst the turmoil, monasteries emerged as beacons of knowledge. Monasteries were places where monks dedicated their lives to study, prayer, and work. They became centers of learning and scholarship. Monks preserved ancient texts by copying them by hand. These manuscripts contained valuable knowledge from the past. Without the monks' dedication, many of these texts would have been lost forever. Monasteries also established schools. They educated young boys in subjects like Latin, Greek, mathematics, and religion. These schools helped to keep the flame of learning alive during a time of great upheaval. The Renaissance, which began in the 14th century, marked a renewed interest in classical learning. It was a time of great artistic, scientific, and intellectual growth. During this period, universities emerged as important centers of learning. Universities brought together scholars and students from different parts of Europe. They could exchange ideas and pursue knowledge together. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century revolutionized education. Books could now be produced more quickly and cheaply. This invention made knowledge more accessible to a wider audience. Literacy rates increased, and people from all walks of life had the opportunity to learn. The Renaissance marked a turning point in the history of education. It paved the way for the scientific revolution and the Enlightenment. These movements would transform the world.